Hello guys, welcome back. I'm just posting a quick update about the channel. The last episode, the bonus episode 3, was the last episode for that tutorial. I had ideas for 2 more episodes, but decided to skip those. One of them being a smart road tool to make roads change depending on the road next to it. That is something I have not done before and is therefore not really comfortable making a video about it. Maybe later down the road though. If you still want some information about making that, take a look at Thin Matrix on YouTube. He got some cool videos about his current project and I've seen him use that type of tool. The second video I thought about doing was a smarter system for the towers, allowing the player to decide the mode of the specific tower. Maybe it should target the closest enemy, or the one with the least amount of health. Maybe it should target the enemy in the front, and so on. This would be easier to do, but it does not really feel like it's needed for the game. And the biggest reason for skipping those episodes is that I would like to get on with the next project. And that would be a tutorial just like this one, but a platformer instead. We will not be using any game engine, we will build it from scratch, just like the tower defense game. But the best part is that we can use some of the code and mechanics from the tower defense game in this platformer. I will drop episode 1 soon, I just need to find or make some art for the game. Preferably to find some art, and I think I have, I just need to make a few checks before I can use it. This game will have some aspect that the other one does not have. We will focus a lot on the character itself. There will be more animations for different types of states for the player, such as standing still, running, attacking, etc. This game will also have multiple levels, so we'll be handling level switching. That will be a lot of fun and I hope that you will follow along this tutorial as well. And the other news I have is that I've been working on a Discord server for this channel. This server will be a place to ask questions or talk about the tutorials, troubleshoot errors that come up, or just game development topics in general. I think that will be really useful since I've seen a few people having problems with the tutorial, so no more talking in the YouTube comment section, there is now a server for that. The link to the server is in the description below. I hope to see you there. And that is all I have for now. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the first episode of the next tutorial. Until then, my friend, take care now and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.